Hey everybody, it's the handbag hauler here, coming with a video today. Before I get into the video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notification. So as you can see here, I have a box in front of me. I'm just gonna say I took advantage of this sale that they are having right now with all of these different discounts. And like I said, I get emails with $20 off on top of the discounts. And these bags just come at a very good price. Now I will say, what I have been doing lately is selling some of the bags that I really do not carry, so that they can go to a home and really be put to use. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open this up here. And my box came intact, not really jacked up. Came pretty good. So let me put this over here. So this first bag that I am going to show you is the charcoal large. Oh, this is pretty. Large tote. This is the color charcoal, and this is in the monogram style. Now I was hesitant on getting this because I just do not like these standing strap or handles. But what made me change my mind is the fact that this tote has a zipper. I have been driving and dumping my stuff on the floor out of my totes. So I was just getting tired of doing that. So I'm like, okay, let me try this. Even with the handles stiff and just sitting up, I'm gonna try this and see how I like this. All right, so let me do the outside. So we got a zip pocket here in the front, and it goes pretty far down, about right to almost to the bottom, about right here is where my finger is. It has the 4 feet on the bottom, and then here's the back. Okay, and of course I love these little monogram the little monogram hang tags here. I really love those. So let me dig all of this stuff out of here. So on the inside here, it doesn't have the normal, red Dooney inside. This is more of a canvas interior. And you have your slip pocket here and your zip pocket, normal Dooney setup. Registration card, of course, comes with it. And I hope you guys can hear me because my earpiece just disconnected, so I might sound a little bit different. And what I'll do is, because I don't have the measurements right in front of me. Actually, hold on. Yes, I do. I got my computer right here. So let me give you the measurements of this bag. So we are looking at This actually, let me tell you the price. So this price with my discounts and everything came to $99. Here we go. So the height is 11 and a half. The width is 6.75. And the length is 14. Okay. So those are the measurements of this bag. This is Italian coated cotton. Okay. And then the interior for this bag is a canvas-like material, as I said earlier. And then I love the fact that this bag freaking closes, okay? It closes, yes, you got your key keeper. And just for the record, it will fit my MacBook Pro, okay? No problem, I got plenty of room in here. As you can see, goes right in. I'm sure it'll also fit my iPad along with it. So yeah, so that is that bag. And I think I'm gonna like it. I think I'm gonna like it. I don't think it's gonna be that bad with the shoulder, with the straps here. But yeah, it's just gonna be in my closet. That's why I don't like it. But you know, oh wait a minute. I didn't even see the I didn't see the dust bag for this one. It's in this paper somewhere. Let me see. I don't know, sometimes I've seen them wrapped up in the paper. But right now, I don't see a dust bag with this. But I'm really not gonna trip because I have plenty of dust bags. But yeah, that's weird. I don't know. Maybe this one don't come with one. I don't know. But there is not one in this bag. No dust bag. Okay. All right, well, that is this. This is the Monogram large tote. And this is the Italian coated canvas. And I love it. I love it in a color charcoal. Okay. So that one is one of the ones I've gotten. And then my second one now, this one I played with so long in my cart, and I hesitated because I didn't know which one I wanted. And so this one is the Monogram Russell. And again, I played with this because of the straps, and then I saw the Florentine Russell went on sale, and I never had a Russell because I was like, that's too big for me. And again, it does not have a zipper. But I just went ahead and I pulled the trigger on this bag because it was only $99. So I love it. And I was looking for more of a summer tote. And something I can carry in the fall also. I have winter totes, and again, this one does not have a dust bag. So I'm assuming, I don't know, you guys tell me because I've never purchased these totes, but no dust bags. Okay, that's just odd to me. But this is the medium Monogram Russell, okay? And I'm gonna tell you the measurements for this. Let me just pull it back up here on my computer. Don't tell me you logged me out. Of course, I love Dooney, you logged me out again. So this, you know, I'm gonna keep it. So I still love it because I know all of my stuff will fit in here, and I will have enough room to double bag. So meaning I'm going to carry a smaller bag inside this tote. So it will fit everything that I need to fit in there. Plus I have the bag inserts to use. And I don't know, because this Florentine Russell is still on sale, and I might just have to get it anyway. Just, yeah, because I will use it. So the measurements for this medium Monogram Russell is 11.5 high, 7.5 wide, and 14.5 in length. And another thing that caught my eye with this bag is the leather on the side. I was like, oh, that side silhouette right there, that really got me in the picture. So it would be like this on me. Now I'm like, if this is the medium, and I know some of you guys have the large, I can just imagine how big the large is. Like, this medium is perfect for me. It's not, I didn't want it too beachy either. And when I say beachy, I just mean that it looks big, like a beach bag. So I'm happy with this. I am. I love it. And again, in the inside, this one has the canvas inside, the tan, and it has the normal Dooney setup, which there's 2 slip pockets, okay, and then your slip pocket and zipper here, and your key keeper and all that good stuff. Now, let me take this registration card out. It also has the VB hang tag here, and this is also coated canvas. Okay. Yes. So both of these bags, this bag is actually bigger than this one. And you can see this one goes a little more east-west, and this one is kind of more north-south to me, if you can see kind of the comparison. They both have the front zipper. Both of them have the 4 feet on the bottom. The Russell is wider, and they both have this side leather stripe that goes down on the side. I don't know if you see that, but yeah, I love it. And they both have the inside. The inside is the same. It has both like canvas like lining in the inside. But yeah, I love it. I think I'm really thinking I know I'm gonna keep both of them. And they both, I got them for $99 on I Love Dooney, and they are perfect. And I'm definitely gonna use these and be moving into them soon, like this weekend probably, or for next week for work. So yeah, I just wanted to come and show you this, my unboxing here. These other colors, that green really, or what they call avocado, it really caught my eye too. So don't be surprised if I come on here with the avocado color and the Florentine Russell. But it was so many bags on here that I had been looking at, like the Florentine Brianna, and I had been kind of pondering on that too. I just don't know. I really need to see that bag in person. So next time I'm at the Dooney outlet, and hopefully I can catch it at a good price. But this is very good. It was up to 75% with the code knockoff. And like I said, I had the $20 off also from my email. So yeah, that brought it down a little bit more too. So yeah, so that's what I want to come and, you know, share this unboxing with you all. So again, if you are new to my channel, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notifications. And I'll see you all on my next video. All right, take care.